Hi, Daft Scots Lass here, and today I'm here to tell you that this month is my birthday month, and so there's going to be a lot of celebrations involved. Not that I'm going to have a party or anything, but I'll probably buy a bottle of wine and have my hair done and just pamper myself. And so, but feel free to send gifts or anything that you want or you think I'd like. I'm really rooting for a new digital camera this year. Our one is pretty fucked, and one of those nice little new 12 megapixel jobbies would be nice to keep in the handbag. But let's see how it goes. June is also Father's Day here in South Africa. And for Father's Day this year, I've organised a really nice surprise for my hubby. Obviously, I can't tell you about it yet because he reads the blog and he watches the vlogs. So I must tell you that he is very curious, though. He definitely does want to know what's happening and what's up. And he's been poking around, but he'll get nothing out of me. I sent a video response to one of my favourite websites called foulmouthtshirts.com to tell them that I was really pissed off that they don't actually ship to South Africa. So they liked my video so much they decided to give me 2 free t-shirts, which is awesome. So they'll arrive in my birthday month, hopefully, fingers crossed. And then I'll come and I'll vlog again for you and model the t-shirts and show you what I got. So I'm not going to give you, tell you what I ordered, but you'll see when they arrive. Also, I wanted to vlog about this week's Caption My Freaky Photo. I had some really good responses this week. It really made me laugh. And but the winner of all of them, you'll see at the bottom here, is Crazy Daisy. Now, I've been following Crazy Daisy for a long time, and I'm actually glad that she's won and that she posted. And so email me and I will send you your wee something in the mail. Previous winners have emailed me some photos of them wearing my temporary tattoos. And I must tell you that those temporary ink tattoos look pretty awesome on those followers. So I'm just waiting for a couple more to come back from some of the others that won the Caption My Freaky Photo competitions. And as soon as I've got everybody's together, then I'll do like a big post and show you all the photos that I've got, which is quite awesome. And then once that's done, I'll put all the photos with their links on my sidebar, so that you can all be linked through to their websites when you fancy a good laugh and reading their websites. So that's about it for today. It's still cold here in Johannesburg and I'm wishing the winter away. What the hell was that? Yeah, just wishing for the summer to come back very quickly. Anyway, I better go because one of the children are trying to kill themselves or kill each other or whatever, so I better go and check on them. Anyway, cheers for now. Bye.
You stick around. You figure it out.